In this video, I'll walk you through how to save your work on Trello. First, log in to your Trello account and open any of your recent boards. Once inside, look towards the right-hand side where you'll see the menu option. Click on the menu and you'll find the Print, Export and Share options. From here, you can choose how you want to save your work. Trello allows you to export your board as a CSV file, as a JSON file, or even generate a QR code for quick access. Let's start with the CSV option. Click on Export as CSV, and Trello will generate a file that you can open in Excel. As you can see, the file neatly lists out all your board data, including card names, lists, and other details. This makes it easy to review or share your progress. Now let's look at the JSON file. If you select Export as JSON, Trello will generate a code-based file. This format is useful if you want to back up your data or use it with other applications. And finally, there's also the option to generate a QR code, which you can use for quick sharing. That's it. This is how you can easily save and export your work from Trello. Thanks for watching.